Coming up this week.
On the Hatch blog, there are tips on setting up your embroidery workshop.
On the Wilcom blog, there's an article on understanding thread thickness and needle size.
And also on the Hatch blog, there are some free designs based on line art.
On the Hatch Academy Live this week, I'm going to take you through 5 courses which are going to make you a better digitizer.
And on YouTube, we discuss how designs come to life with Embroidery Library and Urban Threads.
And on Friday, we're going to round it out with another fun Friday video.
So Susan, tell me what you're looking forward to the most this week.
Well, I was super lucky. I got to actually do the interview with Embroidery Library and Urban Threads. Not only are they an amazing team, watching them bring their beautiful designs to life from like drawing all the way through to digitizing was really fun to watch.
And I noticed that they're digitizing with a pen, which is really awesome.
Really awesome. It's really cool to see how not only talented they are, but how like cool their setup is as well.
Amazing.
It's really fun. All right, we'll see you then.